Prolog is a special programming language. It is a general programming language, able to program anything. Yeah, it's not limited in just one area. It is general purpose programming language, but different from many other languages because the main group of languages are imperative. Yeah. So imperative languages. What is imperative? It's a Latin word. You know, in English, emperor, big king, ruler of everything. Yeah. Because in original word, Italian, Latin, and other European languages, it means to rule, to put commands you. Yeah. I say you must, and you need to listen to it, and you need to do. So, if you write a program in C, PHP, Java, C#, Python, anything, you are writing commands, sequence of commands from the beginning to the end. You have loops, you have some conditional branching and so on, and you are describing the exact way where to do, where to go to the goal. So you have some start, and you are describing the sequence of commands, how to get your result. This is imperative stuff. Yeah. By the way, method, a method, this word is Greek. It consists of two parts. Od, odos in Greek, is the route or the way. Yeah? And met means through. So method is where you need to go through the way. Yeah? You maybe know similar words in chemistry because there are some cathode and anode, negative and positive. This is same. This is odos, way. Cathode means down in Greek. Ano means up in Greek. Yeah. So this is way down or way up. Easy.
This is our life.
Pardon?
Our life.
Aha. Prolog is different. Prolog. This is programming in logic. So programming logic. In Prolog, you do not describe this. You are describing what you want. You are describing formulas, logical expressions, predicates, how your result must to be. Just this. And Prolog is able to find this way automatically. Yeah. This group of languages, by the way, Prolog is about 50 years old. First Prolog was in 70s. And the ISO standard of Prolog, first is not very modern language. It has evolution, of course, it is still evolving, but first Prolog is old. C is about the same age, also 70s. Yeah. So, this group of languages are declarative. Declarative languages. Declaration, you know what is the declaration from policy? Yeah, declaration of state independence or something. Yeah, this is policy. American democracy. They have declaration 300 years old. You know, this is declaration. Another Latin word, because declaratio is something which has been said, told. Yeah. So maybe you know yet another much more popular programming language than Prolog, which is used for databases. And this language is also declarative, because you are writing formulas not how to get your result, but this, what you want. What do you think? Some database programming language.
Crazy multi-level.
SQL. Exactly. If you write in SQL formula, select from blah blah blah, this is condition what you need, not how. Yeah. But we will have Prolog now. Prolog is related to the first generation of the artificial intelligence. Now, the artificial intelligence is very growing. It is based on neural networks and so on, technology, not my course just now. But you need to feed neural networks, you need to make inputs, to be able to make inputs, and you need to use it as a tool. And Prolog is one of the best way how to use this new technology. And the second good technology are graph databases. Graph, everything is a graph. Remember, I'm mad for graphs. Yeah, this is my, how to say, no need to say more. Well, to introduce Prolog, I made little graph, some nodes and some connections, and we will play with this. In Moodle, you have files, intro 1, intro 2, intro 3. So, intro 1, 2, 3, dot pl Prolog. It is a textual file. I have it open. Intro 1 is open on the right. Well, Prolog. How it is installed? I do not need any graphical environment, just command line. Yeah. So, my operation system is Apple. So it is Unix, Windows, similar, and I have command line. So here I can list files, I can print directory. So this is Unix. Yeah. One folder, this one, is about Prolog. If you install Prolog, you will be asked for some folder, directory. I recommend you make something like me, because this is my home folder. Look, my name, users, standard, and Prolog, obvious. Yeah? And I have some files here. Graphically, it's like this. Yeah? Wow. start it, I need to type some executable file. This one. In Windows, it's like this. I do not have Windows. So I need to write this command. Wow. Look. Welcome to SWI prolog, blah blah blah. And now I have command line which looks a bit different. It has a question mark, minus, and something. And this is prolog. I am in prolog. Some commands are pretty similar to Unix. And please remember, any command must end by dot, like a human sentence. If you forget dot, your command is unfinished, and you will see line, but nothing. So you need to remember dot. Yeah. So this command is easy. Clear screen. This one. Sorry. And the view.
Backslash?
No need. I do not remember it yet.
Is it like backslash, you put slash and then clear?
Try tty underscore.
Moment. Print working directory. Dot. I wrote dot because I am in prolog. Yeah. So print working directory. Change directory. Now I have my home. Like in Unix. Change directory without parameter is this. If I want to change directory to my folder, prolog, I need to write this. This is syntax of prolog. So remember, function name, brackets, parameter inside. If more parameters, comma. Yeah. Now, print working directory, I am back. So it was like deep play with the operation system, not yet prolog, but in prolog syntax. Yeah. What is important is to read data. So I have my first program here. If percent symbol starts a line, it is a command. Yes. So real program is on the disk. Remember, this is not a program in the sense of sequence of commands. It is a database in the alphabetical order or any other order, but not order of computation. It is not order of computation. It is only memory content. Because we do not have anything like this. Forget it. We have only this. Remember, intro 1. I do not need to write .pl because it is automatic. I write just this, comma, comma, dot. Syntax error operator expected. Aha. I wrote wrong symbol. Sorry, my fault. Okay. Yes. I have Text command, listing, memory content. This is everything what we have in memory, a lot. But if you write parameter, listing, and I will use this, is to left of. You can see answer. Or listing is above. Oh. Yeah. This prompt is interesting. True. If anything is correct, you can see true. If not correct, and Prolog is not able to satisfy your asking, you will obtain false. Now I have true. Yeah. Okay. So variables in Prolog, if any word is starting with a capital letter, it is a variable. Small letter, it is an atom or function name or some constant or something else. Yeah. So remember variables, capital letters. Just this. Of course, you need to distinguish between small caps and big caps. Yeah. Because it is important. Yeah. If it is not voluntary, you need to distinguish between characters. Okay. We have this database. My database says here, circle is to left of a triangle. A square is to left of a star. Circle is above a square, triangle is above a star. This picture. Yeah. So I can write is to left, circle, triangle. This is my question. Is to left off. True. False. Variable. What? W. Capital letter. Variable. Look result. True. Circle triangle. I am not yet finished. Look. I do not see end of my command. Still, it is in attention. Now I will type semicolon, dot comma. Look. Second solution. So I obtained two positive solutions. Now no more result. Yeah. Circle square. You can ask for variables anywhere. Yeah. So now I am asking what is above a circle? Square. Or is yet one extra variable. If you type underscore, it is an anonymous variable which you only expect that value exists, does exist, but you need to know value. Do not need, no need for value. Yeah. So true. Because something, and I do not need to know what exactly, but something really exists above square. Okay. If I write this, false, because nothing is above. Okay. So remember, capital letter variable, underscore anonymous variable. Something must exist, but you do not need for value. Okay. So this looks like a database. Because if you have many lines like this, it's exactly the same as the database, and really it is. Yeah. So in Prolog, program is a database of facts. And this mechanism is able to perform querying, asking about the content. Next.
Sorry. What was the syntax fix?
Pardon?
I have syntax error when I copy the first program, so what was the fix?
Aha! Because I my mouse was here, but I mentioned to write it here. It was just this thought because I wanted to type this, but because of mouse focus, what was here, so by mistake I typed square brackets in the wrong window, and it made me error. Just this. I need to pay attention where's my mouse. So now I have this file. So look. Yo, by the way, I don't know how it is working in Windows, but my computer, and definitely any Unix, so Linux as well, knows these commands. Look, arrow left, arrow right, arrow up.
You go
Arrow
from
down.
up means you're going to older command lines, and down you're going to newer ones.
Okay. So, just warning, because something is the same. And now I have more. I have also is under. And is right is to right. So,
I'm sorry to cut you off.
moment, I did not hear.
Sorry to cut you off. When you are writing here, you already have the database already inside, right?
No.
That's why it is able to find if it's true or false.
Always you need to write in some external environment your program, because this is a text.
Okay.
Notepad, no problem in Windows. Yeah. And when your file will be ready, you will load it using this. Yeah.
Intro 2, okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. It does not have internal editor. External editor and
Imported to.
this import has special terminology. It is not importing but consulting. imported. Well, so look, we still have these facts, but we also have rules. This is more interesting. So, what means if a variable, look, capital A variable, yeah, is to right of B? It is the same as B is to left of A. Yeah, do you see it? It is a logical rule, so I do not need to write in the database left, right, because I already have left. And this is like a program. It's not a program, it's a logical rule. Yeah? It says if anything is to left of in this order, it is also this. Yeah? Or above we already have, because above is here. This is above. Now under. Yeah? And near, what is near? Near is left, right, above, under, and also all this, yeah? Up, right, up, left, above, under, right, under, left, yeah? So we have also this. Comma is a logical operator which says and. So you need to have approved both this statement and this statement. And look variables. X is an intermediate variable, some new more value, and it's new. Well, so is under, circle, nothing, because circle is already on the top, but square is near. So square what? Star y. Star is right of square, semicolon, dot comma, circle, up, and triangle, no more, false. So I obtained 3 results in sequence. Yeah. Imagine, in case of declarative, imperative programming, this one. It is a pretty hard program because you will need to trace graph, some cycles, some looping, searching, algorithm. We do not have any algorithm because the answer is made automatically just based on logic. Yeah. Okay. started tracing mode. And I will ask again, is to left of circle what? Okay. How it is working inside? My variable what has this internal code. Next, enter. This fact is found. Because it's reading my database. If I will ask for write, star, maybe, star, look, is to right of star, next, is converted left off. Do you see it? Based on this logic here. Next. Square is found, but I need to go back in this order. So you can see how it is working. It automatically decides and derives the logic. Yeah? Is near square what? So first rule is about this, is to left off. So now it will try to make this form. Result. Semicolon. Now, right off. Right off means opposite direction of left. Right. There is nothing. Nothing. Another solution. Above. Above. Solution. Good. More. There is nothing. So, did you see it? It has some algorithm. The graph tracing algorithm somewhere inside. But you do not need to write it. Prolog notes. Okay. Output. That's it. Okay. Yet one nice thing. Still the same program, but in addition, I have yet this section, operators. So, let us look. definition, okay? And now I have operator. Look, if in your program something is introduced exactly like this prompt, so question mark and minus, it is automatically started. Yeah. So it is not only loaded into the database, but it is started. Yeah. You can during load, you can type some printing or some inputs or something, and this is very valuable because operator is a definition of syntax. Look me. It's almost English. It's not perfect English, of course, yeah, but much better than brackets and standard syntax. Good. Square, triangle. So it is still working, but much better for human eyes. Yeah, operators. Now I will explain how it is. First value is priority. Priority 999 is very low. Any operator having priority of less number has higher priority. We have operators in Prolog. For example, arithmetical operations, number plus number, or number multiplied by number. This is operator between. Yeah. So it must be made first, and then our newly introduced operator. So 999 is of lowest priority. XFX means that operator is between two values. Values are coded X, and F is operator. If I will have only one value, I have two now, yeah, because here two. If I will have only one, I can also write fx or xf. Fx is a standard European style of prefixes to nouns or articles to nouns because they are written before. Some other languages, human languages, are different and articles are after. Yeah. So this is this case. Well, and last parameter says, what is it? What is this? So it is related to left off, right off, above, under, near. So this trick about operators is not important for Prolog machine. Prolog is doing it exactly the same in the same way as before. It is only for human readable output. It's only for us. Yeah? Okay. one example. Lunch. Lunch. One. I have 5 meals, 4 soups. A good lunch consists of some soup, capital S, soup, meal, M, main meal, main dish, and value X. What is this? We will ask for value, nutrition value, it is calories. How many calories? For 400, hamburger is more, 6, gyros 7, steak 8, nothing, 0. There's nothing equals. No meal, 0. And soup is here. Well, so, cook me soup, what? And value is not important, just soup name. Vegetable soup, meat soup, pie soup, nothing. Meal. Falafel, hamburger, gyros, steak, nothing. Calories. I will say some condition. Calories must be more than 500. Look. Sorry. I don't know what that. I will write calories must be 400. Yeah. No more. What the hell? This not accepted by condition. Sorry. I will solve it, I will tell you next week. So, lunch. We have some soup. We have meal. We have calories. First solution. Vegetable soup, falafel, total calories 500. Why? Because falafel is here 400, vegetable is here 100. Next solution, 700. Next solution, next. Then come combinations, and last combination is crazy because it is nothing. So calories 800. Exactly. So vegetable and gyros. Gyros 712. Next one. Meat, falafel. Yeah. Net. No more. Okay. If I say soup is not important, just 800 calories in total. This. Last example. This is condition here. It's accepted now. Listing. Branch. It's working now. So now I amended it. I really do not know why this symbol was not accepted by me. But here it is accepted because I exactly typed identical query. Sorry, no idea. Soup. Any soup. Having more than 100. Yeah, it's working now. Aha. I have some theory of that. Something. I am typing fast. And I am pressing shift. And I am writing space. Shift space is invisible character. But it is not exactly space. Yeah. So by my mistake, I hold shift and wrote space. Yeah. So this is why. Please pay attention for it. Yeah. Because shift space is unknown character. Exactly as was the prompt. So now it is working. Perfect. Yeah. So what else? I can ask for meal, name of meal. More than 600 strong meal. Gyros, steak, no more. What? Okay. Finally, I just add something very interesting. this means good lunch, any value, and this command will start. Look, write, read, cycle. So it will be like a program. Start. Soup is vegetable soup and meal is falafel. Soup is vegetable soup and meal is new line. This is new line. Right. Continue. Read. And here I have if variable a, which has been read, is n. No means okay. If not no, repeat. Here, yeah. So yes, continue. Dot. Soup is meat soup and meal is nothing. Yes, continue. Dot. Remember dot. Yeah. No. Fine. So it looks almost like some simple program, but still it is under logic.